My hands lead the, well, my knuckles lead the way. But my legs are what the driving force behind everything I'm doing. Starts with the balls of your feet, move to your legs, move to your hips, move to the back of your arms, into your shoulders, roll your shoulders, turn your hips. And get it, you got 100, go. Balance the whole time, you're not allowed to stop and walk at all. I want that movement the whole time. Come on, slow down, you get flat footed, you get struck out. You're not even done, you're not even quarter of the way down. Come on. Explode, Shelby. You gotta go forward. You have to explode. Come on.